This is from Saudi Arabia. 20 Nase. Do are Thai going in Roman soy. I think I love she made that. This one. And this one from Malaysia is number 1. I don't know how much this market in Bangkok. And 5,000 rupees from Pakistan. It's bit tired of I'm not going as well, not one. I love she made like the charm sissy, but no, I love she in the channel. Yeah, Pakistan will not how is and then from another country is I have a $12. It's not the same actually. South Americans are like American. Another one is Kuwait. It's Kuwait money from I don't know how much it's worth it. And another one is also from Kuwait, as you see. And another one is also from Kuwait. Like I have a 3 pieces Kuwait money. And another one from Maldives. They have a beautiful money, like really very beautiful. I'm rich. I'm very rich. Thai Bangui. Like I do have a Burmese money, right? You know about my percent, right? I mean, oh, who bet email me share the matter so I didn't show you. Đó Malay đi luôn Malay đâu nó phải có gì chỉ luôn một Malay đi Malay đây đến đây dài mấy bà mấy vlog dài số đó lạiပြင်video mà update đâu bà mấy I'm gonna be pouring all the things again. Sorry, time out. So